So in this week's edition, we're going to discuss the difference of how do you build your business from 100 million to 200 million. When we left off last week, we were discussing the marketing wheel. And the key word here is wheel. Most of us spend a lot of time doing, as we refer to, horizontal activities. You get a testimonial from a client, you do a Facebook ad, you do a LinkedIn post, and you're wondering why nothing's coming from it. The real concept to marketing is creating a wheel. Just like in a hubcap, there's different spokes, and when they come together, you'll see a design as the car moves. So too, we built out different spokes of how, between print ads, LinkedIn, social media, and so many other things which we will dive into, how to build that out so that it's in a wheel motion, so that one activity feeds off of the other. That's a big part of the success. We started with 12 slides on our PowerPoint. We're now closing in on about 100 plus slides. So very excited. Catch you next week.